like chocolate à la coco. Make she follow me go and fly away.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. First, I would like to thank Wigs on Amazon for sending me this gorgeous kinky straight human hair headband wig to review on my channel. This is everything that it came with. It actually came with a cute headband, you guys, which I'm super duper excited about. And so I am going to get into the try on. Alright, in the next clip, I am showing you the inside of the wig. Typical headband wig, you guys. This is not my first rodeo. I just wanted to show you how it looks like on the inside. And then I applied it on my head, making sure that it is secure in the back, you guys. As you can see, this is super duper full. Let me give you the specs on this unit. Alright, so this is a human hair glueless headband wig. It is 150% density and it is an 18 inches. The color that I have is a 1B. And so like I mentioned before, they actually sent me a really cute headband, you guys. I was super excited. Alright, I love animal print. And so I wanted to try it out for you guys so you guys can see how it would look. In some of the clips you'll see, I have it really poofy looking, the hair poofy looking. And in other clips you'll see that the hair is a bit straighter, alright, because I straightened it out a little bit and it does straighten out beautifully. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you later. Bye!